In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can keep your YouTube playlists private. So once you've loaded up the YouTube app, what you want to do is navigate to your profile icon. It's located at the top right hand corner of the page. Tap on your profile icon. And then from here, you want to tap on the option that says your channel, and that will take you to your channel. And then underneath your name and your subscribers, it says edit channel. Tap on edit channel, and then you can see it has your description and then privacy. And then the second option underneath privacy is keep all my saved playlists private. Make sure that that is on, so when people go to your channel and then tap on the playlist option at the top of the page, it'll make these playlists private. Now when you go to your own channel on your own account, it's going to show all your playlists. But if you go ahead and log out of your account and go to this page while that option is ticked on, then you won't see these playlists because you have set them to private. So if this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.